Red Robin, Bird Detective, and the mystery of the missing cat food. Cat, who was usually very nice, had been grumpy. Someone was stealing her cat food. Cat asked Red Robin, Bird Detective, to help. So Red Robin decided to investigate. It is always a good idea to keep Cat in a good mood if you're a bird. From high in a tree, he watched the porch where the cat's bowl was to see if anyone was stealing the cat's food. Red Robin was a good bird detective. He saw hummingbirds near the flowers on the porch and watched them for a while. But the hummingbirds did not go near the cat's food. They like flowers. Then he saw a butterfly fluttering around the flowers next to the porch. But, like the hummingbirds, the butterflies eat nectar from the flowers, not cat food. There were lots of living things around the porch where the cat's food was kept, and Red Robin watched them to see if anyone was stealing any of the cat's food. He asked his friend George, who was hunting for worms near the porch, if he had seen any suspicious characters. George said he had seen a slug, a spider, a caterpillar, and a yummy worm. Red Robin went off to investigate. He watched the caterpillar. He watched the slug. He watched the spider. And a yummy worm. But they did not take any cat food. He saw eagles flying above and a snake sunning on the table. There were hopping frogs and darting dragonflies. But nobody seemed at all interested in cat's food. Red Robin was feeling discouraged and was wondering if he would ever solve the mystery when, all of a sudden, he saw Raccoon sneaking towards the porch. He squeezed through the railing and moved towards the bowl. Raccoon was stealing cat's food. Red Robin had solved the mystery. Cat thanked him with a kind look and told him he was a fine fellow. Cat ran off for his dinner before anyone else could eat it. Red Robin was proud to be a real bird detective.